Let's graph this cosine graph. Quick review here. We've got this right here is the vertical shift, so it's going to shift 3 up. So let's just do that right now. 1, 2, 3. There's my new center line. I like to draw my center line in. 2 right here affects the amplitude, so it's going to go up 2 instead of 1. So my new top is going to be right there, my top line, and my bottom line is going to be down there. So I took care of my vertical stuff. This right here is called B, and that relates to the period. The period equals 2 pi over B. So your period is...
Okay.
So that means, in my case, I've got 2 pi over 4. Flip and multiply, that just equals 8. So my period is 8. That's nice. It's a nice even number. And then this right here is my horizontal shift. And so notice that since it's a minus, that means I shift to the right 12. So my graph, instead of starting right here, is going to start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 over. It's going to start 12 over, and the period is going to be 8. That's why I like to not draw my lines in there, my vertical lines yet, so I'm going to call this 12 now. In other words, I just shifted the graph over. There's my new... That's 12, and if my period is 8, now I'm going to go ahead and count off 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There's 20 right there, so there's my period. So halfway in between there is 16. Halfway in between there is 14. That's 18. So here are all of my important points. I'm going to go ahead and change the color over back to green so you can see. It's a cosine graph. That means I start at the top. So it's going to start right here, and I end at the top. So my end point is at 20 because the period is 8, and it's going to bottom out in the middle, which is at 16, and the second point and fourth point, those 2 points right there is where it's going to go through the middle line, or the center line as I like to call it. So now just draw your smooth curve, your smooth cosine curve in as smooth as you can. And there's one period of your cosine graph represented by that equation up there. So you could even label your points now if you've done it carefully. This is 5. This is 12, 5. This is 20, 5. Did I do that wrong? I did that wrong. It's not 5 because I went up 3 and then... Is it 5?
No, it is 5.
It is 5. Sorry about that. I'm thinking this point right here. This point right here is 16, 1.
Oh.
This point is 14, 3. And this point over here is 18, 3. So they may ask for those specific points, but that's your equation. Now, if you wanted to keep it going, you can just keep it going. If they ask for more than one period, that's your answer.